Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how I printed this t-shirt under 10 minutes. To print the t-shirt, first I opened a A4 document in Inkscape. Next I imported an image. After importing, I resized the image to fit the A4 document. Next I printed the image in color. For printing, I am using an e-transfer paper. After printing, I removed all the excess material using scissors and crafting knife. Before printing on the t-shirt, I used the lint remover to remove any lints from the cotton t-shirt. Next, I ironed the t-shirt to remove any wrinkles. Next, I placed the t-shirt horizontally. Next, I placed the sheet inside the t-shirt. Next, I removed the back paper from the print and placed it on the cotton t-shirt. Next, I iron the shirt sideways for about 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. That's it for this video guys. Hope you guys learned something from the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe with notification.